Naam, karibu kwa taarifa kamili. Kamati maalum ya bunge la Seneti iliyobuniwa kusikiliza kesi ya kutemuliwa mamlakani kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Taita Taveta Gavana Samboja imefanya kikao chake cha kwanza katika majengo ya bunge. Gavana Samboja aling'olewa mamlakani na wawakilishi wadi katika kura ya kutokuwa na imani kwenye utendakazi wake kuhusiana na mgogoro wa bajeti uliozuka kati yake na wawakilishi wadi. Kamati hiyo iliendelea na shughuli zake licha ya mahakama kuitaka kusitisha vikao hivyo. Wakili wa Samboja Nelson Havi alimtetea mteja wake Gavana Granton Samboja.
Upon hearing me on the matter, the judge made a further order to supplement the order made on the 11th of October. And the order was very precise. It provided as follows: that pending the party's hearing of this application, the Senate, that is the fourth respondent, either through the plenary or its committee, any of its members is hereby restrained from deliberating, discussing, hearing, and or otherwise continuing with the impeachment of His Excellency Granton Samboja, the petitioner, pending the mention of the matter for directions on the 28th of October 2019. Now, again, this order was served personally upon the clerk of the Senate as well as the Director of Legal and Compliance on that very day. As the order was being served upon the clerk of the Senate, an invitation to appear was being served upon my firm. That was on the 16th of October at around about 3:48 p.m. Now, the issue that is before I proceed, perhaps I could also supply the committee with copies of the subsequent order. I'm aware of my own knowledge that the Deputy Speaker of the Senate indicated that he will today at 2:30 make a decision as to whether the Senate can be injuncted in the performance of its duties by a court of law. But notwithstanding the pendency of his decision, which is to be made at 2:30, the Honorable Deputy Speaker indicated that this special committee may proceed with the task assigned to it. Now, at this particular point in time, I just want to raise two fundamental issues which are germane to the proceedings before this special committee. And I will refer to Standing Order number 98 of the Standing Orders of the Senate. Standing Order number 98, in particular, Standing Order 98 sub Rule 2. It says, subject to paragraph 5, no senator shall refer to any particular matter which is sub judice or which by operation of any written law is secret. For the specific issue before this special committee, what is of reference is the pendency of the court proceedings. Now, if you examine sub-rule 2 all the way to sub-rule 3, with particular reference to 3C, this definition is made of a matter that is sub judice. Civil proceedings shall be deemed to be active when arrangements for hearing, such as setting down a case for trial, have been made